We'll guide you through how to download and install the TikTok app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on an iPhone or an Android. I am doing this on an iPhone, but we're going to guide you through and explain how it can be done on an Android as well. So TikTok is one of the most popular apps out there right now. Essentially, it's short form videos, but there are other posts on there as well, like photos and photo slideshows. And the main point of it is there is a homepage and there's a page called the For You page, and you can swipe through it and you can go and see different posts and videos. When you go and start liking certain types of different content, TikTok will then go and give you more of that. So it's going to go and learn what you like pretty quickly. And it's really fun. You can scroll through it. But of course, you can go and start posting content yourself on there. You've got your own profile. And overall, it's a great social media and video sharing platform and just media sharing platform you should go and get. So we're going to guide you through this. So on an iPhone, come to the first page and locate the App Store. You can drag down and search for that. On an Android, you need to go and use the Google Play Store. That's the App Store on an Android. So go and open it up. And come to the bottom and you can go and find search, and that will apply on an Google Play Store as well. Then we can press search again and we're going to go and type in TikTok and we can then go and find it. And here it is, as you can see. Now I've had this before, so I've got the cloud icon. Otherwise it will go and say get or potentially install on an Android. So you can click on it. When you do that, you may need to go and enter in your password. It is a free app though. And then you can go and wait for it to go and download. As you can see the progress there. When it's finished, it'll go and change to open. So you can open it from here, or you can go and find it on your phone home screen. As you can see, here it is. You can tap on it to go and open it up, as you can see. And you can then go and start choosing your interests. I'll just skip that for now. Choose your notifications and you can start swiping up. And so that's it. Now I've had this before, so it's already got my account signed in, but otherwise you need to go and sign up with an email or phone, or you can use a platform like Facebook or Google, etc. And you're going to be able to go and start using TikTok.